Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I got another unboxing video for you, and this time it's a little bit different, and it's a return of a favourite of mine a couple of years ago, and it's Anonymous Jewellery. This is what it looks like. I was with Anonymous Jewellery, I'd say about 2 years ago, coming up to 3 years ago, and I really enjoyed receiving their boxes, but I noticed that their prices increased a little bit and I decided to have a bit of a break. But Anonymous Jewellery got in touch with me recently and they asked me if I'd be interested in receiving a box in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. So I thought, oh, okay then. I haven't received a box in a long time, and as you can probably guess, I absolutely love jewellery. So I jumped at the chance, so I said yes. So they kindly sent me this box. They've got an online store, so you're able to buy all types of jewellery on there. They ship internationally for free, which is amazing, and they offer 3 types of subscription brackets. So you've got a 2-piece jewellery box, and that'll cost you £13.50. Then you've got a 3-piece jewellery box, which will cost you £16. And lastly, you've got a 4-piece jewellery box, which will cost you £19, including shipping, which I think is quite good considering that they ship all over the world, which is amazing. So these boxes are super light, so I can see how they are quite affordable to send everywhere, which I think is really good. Now, I did notice on their website though that they said that if you incur any charges or customs, then it's your responsibility to pay it. But because these are so light and it's jewellery, it's not liquids or anything like that, I'm not too clued up on customs or whatever, but I'm assuming it should be alright. But I just thought I had to tell you, in case you're out of the UK and you fancy taking a look at yourself. I'll pop down details and everything related to this box down in description. So underneath this video you'll see show more, click that, that'll bring up description and everything will be listed down there. So yeah, so they offer monthly subscription boxes which you can cancel anytime, and they offer a 2 and 3 months paid upfront subscription as well. So when you sign up, you get to create a style questionnaire. So when you choose the actual box that you would like, you get to fill in a mini questionnaire asking you what jewellery tones you prefer, whether you want silver, gold or a mix. You also get asked what styles you like, and is there anything you don't like, is there anything you particularly like, you know, your ring sizes, anything, any information that you wish to give them that will help them in choosing the best sort of products for you. Then you've got that chance to put all the information in there. So let's get on to open it up. So I got 2 pieces here. These little bags are gorgeous. They are really, really gorgeous. Handy. Super handy. Whenever I go away for a weekend or a night away or on holiday or something, then I like to put my jewellery in little bags like these, all individually, because then they don't get all mangled up together. Plus it's a little bit of protection as well. Yeah, they've got Anonymous Jewellery on them. So those are my pieces in there. I've got 2 little leaflets, and this one, it just says, sometimes we like to match our outfits with the weather and our jewellery with our mood. So it's just a little quote. We've got a little leaflet here and it tells you all about jewellery care tips. So on here it's got don't put lotion or perfume on with your jewellery, don't wear jewellery in the pool or spa, etc. There's a big list on how to care for your jewellery there. So you get that in all your boxes. So there's no information about the products, but if I can find them on their website and find their price, then I'll pop that up on the screen. Oh my word, there's loads of stars. It's a layered necklace with loads of stars. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh no, it's all mangled up. Hold on. That is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, I'm really happy with this. It is beautiful. I've got a little choker with all stars on it, but I haven't got a layered I haven't got a layered necklace like this. I love it. I absolutely love it. Definitely my style. A little bit different, but no, still really pretty. Oh, I love it. The only thing with layered necklaces is that they start winding up together and I end up getting like a bit of a blob there without realising when it's all tangled up. So I hope that this one doesn't do it. But oh no, I'm so chuffed with that. So yeah, really happy with the first piece. So on to the next bag. Oh, we got 2 pairs of earrings in here. So I don't know whether they class this as a 3-piece bag or a 2-piece. I'm assuming it's a 2-piece. But I don't know, it might not be because we've got these 2 just in one bag. So no, so I'm not too sure there. But we'll have a look at these. Oh, these are so pretty. But they're not my style. They're not my style, unfortunately. That is so pretty. They're really, really pretty. I'm not really into wearing like flowery, sparkly jewellery then, if you know what I mean. They are really pretty though, but unfortunately not for me. Not for me. So on to the next ones. I think I'm gonna like these. They're a bit different, aren't they? Yeah, they're a bit different. I like these. They're hanging leaves. Can you see that? Ooh, if they stay still long enough. So they've got like a little star. I'll just show you one at a time. So you can see it's sparkly, and then you've got a little stone there. Yeah, they're more like me. I'm more likely to wear them. I think they're nice. I think they're really lovely. So yeah, so those are the 3 pieces. I'm wearing the necklace, and then we've got these flower earrings, and we've got these leaf earrings as well. So I am 100% loving this. I think this is stunning. This necklace is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Definitely, definitely me and my style. These leaf earrings are lovely. They're really nice. They're a little bit different as well, but no, I quite like them. These flower earrings are beautiful. They are really, really pretty, but they're the type of earrings I'd probably wear for like a job interview, or I'm just trying to think, you know, what I would wear them. A job interview, or if I was doing a like presentation or something like that, then it's a little bit too formal for me, but they are really pretty. So yeah, but I'm going to give them away. I'm going to give them away to someone. But yeah, so there's my 3. But I'm not sure if it classes as a 2-piece box because they just came in 2 little pouches like that. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you like the fact that it ships internationally? Is it something that takes your fancy, or do you think, nah, it is not a box for me whatsoever? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.